Right. I want to continue pushing, getting these pull-offs better. Uh, you mentioned number 2 you felt was the most difficult. Number 3 was the one I would like to hear polished up better. So we're going to do some stuff with that. Uh, Going from the gallop to reverse gallop. The biggest thing, I think, was when you shifted up to the higher scale position. So, for the most part, when you're like shifting string to string, your fingers were getting down in time. However, when the finger wasn't, it's usually the index finger that's taking a while to get back down. So, with what we have here for number 1, pinky and index finger got to go together. So every time you change strings, it's pinky pulling off to the index finger, pinky pulling off to the index finger. So I'm going to work on getting that a bit more polished. So when you work these up, this is what I want you to do. I think we talked about this before, but forego the repeat in the beginning. Work these things up by 5s. Once you get it up to the 140, start working on the repeats. So once you can get this without the repeat to 140, throw in the repeat and see how that goes. Same thing for all 3 of these. So here we go at 60 beats a minute. And I will do the repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. In case I didn't say it a moment ago, go up by 5s. No more than 5s. When you're not doing the repeat, that is. Alright, 100 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I forgot where to go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just want to remind you, only go up in speed when it's 100% accurate. If that means you don't get to 140, that's fine. Always focus on accuracy above all else. Alright, 60 beats a minute. That's number 2. As far as this one goes, like we're starting with the middle note on each string. So we got 3 notes each string here. We're going to start with the middle note down and the index finger down at the same time. And so we end with the pinky, and then we're going to jump those other 2 fingers down after that. So that sets you up for the next string. Jump. So the middle the middle note and the first note on the string. So what the heck am I talking about? Middle note, I'm saying that because if you look here, you got 10, 12, 13. Well, 12 is like the middle note here, and we're starting with that. I'm basically just using that. Using that top portion of the C scale shape, and then we're using the top portion of the D Dorian shape. So yeah, you basically your first finger and your third finger is going to jump down at the same time, or your first and second will jump down at the same time. The pinky will be hitting the last note in every group of 4 before changing strings. And then here, a little bit of a break, going from one line to the next. And that is picked, not pulled off to. Alright, 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hundred beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3. Alright, so galloping up 2 strings, reverse galloping down. And every time you go to the reverse gallop, you are shifting higher and up the neck in scale positions, whatnot. So here we go at 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. I went to the wrong place. Take 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god. I'm losing it. Can't even make it through 60 beats a minute. Take 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Okay. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, this is going to be a heck of an end to this video. Good lord. Take 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. Goodness. 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, once again, hope that gives you a laugh. Yeah. So forego the repeat, like the first few days of practicing. Work everything up by 5 beat per minute increments, starting at 60, and then as things get better, start adding in those repeats. Yeah. So definitely be doing the repeat at 60. Like maybe those 3 speeds right there. Maybe like 60, 80, 100, 120, 140. Just to maintain everything would be a good thing to do. Any questions at all, please let me know. I'll see you again next week.